Keywords for blog. How do you find the best keywords for blog? This is a very simple method which I'll be sharing with you today. Let us look at how to learn to find the best keywords for your blog. If you're interested in learning keyword research, I have a course at indianmomblogs.com/K1. You can check that out. So, how do you find keywords for a blog? First of all, in step 1, you have to look at what people are searching for. So, this is a searcher intent. Then you need to filter these keywords to find the ones which are relatively easy to rank for you. So I would split these up into very easy to rank for, moderately easy to rank for, and a little tough keywords, because we need a combination of all these. And in step 3 we will be writing the actual content. Okay, and just a quick plugin that if you want my keyword research service, I create such packs for you. They are called hit lists. So you'll find them at indianmomblogs.com/hit. So you hire me and I will find the best keywords for your blog, website, small business, home business, and local business. So let's see on step 1, which is to figure out what are people searching for. Suppose you are selling soaps, okay, then let's say this soap is for dry skin. So sometimes when people are looking for dry skin solutions, so they would be searching, like, say, essential oils for dry skin, the best essential oils for a dry skin, for dry skin eczema. Start typing in Google and you will find different things, like essential oils for dry skin on hands. Suppose you were to write an article on such a topic, then, and if it ranks on this page here, then you will get traffic, and then you can also recommend that, hey, this is a soap which has these essential oils and you can purchase this. Okay, another one is, say, most people are now familiar with something called cocoa butter. So cocoa butter for dry skin on face, you could maybe have an article about cocoa butter for dry skin on face, and also while writing the article, subtly recommend the soap, your soap. Suppose your skin soap is for dry skin, then this is the soap which is alternate you can use. Another question is like, what soap is good for dry skin? Okay, this is a general question which people will be searching into Google. Look for these, like these: best soap for dry skin and itchy skin, best organic soap for dry skin, best soap for skin problems, what to use instead of soap for dry skin. So you have different options on which you can write articles, like, for example, what to use instead of soap for dry skin, but you're selling soap, so you can say that instead of soap you can use these 5 things, but this particular soap will not hurt your skin at all because it has this, and I recommend this particular soap. You understood the flow? And you look at this: which soap is best for dry itchy skin, so there are so many keywords which you can figure out just for selling that one dry skin soap. So this is like, what are people looking for? Google has told us what people are looking for. Now you need to filter these keywords. When you're writing, say, for this topic, you need to look around and see what others have written and what are the chances of yours article ranking here. For that, you need to go through the couple of websites, see what they have written, what are there. See, look at this. This is a very popular website, wellandgood.com. Healthline.com is highly popular. Herbal Academy is an established site, so it might be a little difficult to rank for this particular keyword. But if you see, there is a Pinterest pin here. Now Pinterest, though it has a high domain score and but it is still not having enough content. So good content will definitely rank for this keyword. So that is what is called for filtering these keywords. So like maybe this might be an easy to write for keyword, maybe this is a very difficult keyword, because if you see here, cocoa butter for dry skin on face, Skincraft is a very is an established site. Then this is a news site. This is Vaseline.com, medical news. Usually these sites are established. This is an established site. Again, this is a forum, so there are chances of ranking here. But if you look at it, this looks like an overall a bit difficult keyword to write for. You could look for a little more uh, easier to write for keyword, like say cocoa butter on face at night, the benefits or for dry skin maybe, and see if that is a keyword. Okay, and then once you have identified these, you either write the content yourself or have it written and create either videos. And so if you incorporate videos, actually there's my YouTube marketing course on this channel, check that out. If you incorporate videos, even for these you will be able to rank. So let's see, like if you go to videos here, you can see that videos get a ranking, but nothing is saying that cocoa butter for dry skin on face. It says using cocoa butter on skin. How to use cocoa butter? Cocoa butter benefits for skin, hair, lips and whatever, but there is nothing addressing cocoa butter for dry skin on face. If you make a video on that, and it will definitely rank on the first page. It might take a bit of time because this looks like a little difficult keyword to write on, but then you can then write an article, have a video and embed that. So this is one way you can do keyword research for your blog post. And if you really are looking for someone who can find you the best keywords for your blog, to send me an email at this particular email and I will help you out. Thank you.